Hello, I'm Simeon Grace and you're welcome to my channel All Africa TV, where you learn different unique styles in fashion designing. We upload the cutting and the sewing of our tutorials and we upload every week. So just in case you're new on this channel, what we do is taking you from how to cut all through to how to sew, and you're going to learn unique styles. And just in case you have a particular style you'd like us to upload, you can drop that in the comment section, and you can always ask questions because I'll be in the comment section to answer every of your questions. So if this is your first time, kindly like, share and subscribe to All Africa TV. Don't forget to click the bell as well, and tell your friends to do so. Tell the friends of your friends, and let your friends also tell their friends about All Africa TV, where you learn different styles in fashion designing. I still remain Simeon Grace. Bye.